Hey guys, as you can see, I am doing a ton of tomatoes. This is kind of like an impromptu video, but I just thought I'd bring you in here for just a minute or two. This is not gonna be a long video, and tell you why canning means so much to me. And I know that that's kind of like a weird obsession to have, like canning of all things, but it blesses me so much. I love to play my hymns. I don't know if you can hear. I play the exact same CD every single time. My neighbor gave it to me when I first moved here, and it has blessed me so much. If anything, I don't think I've ever taken that CD out of that kitchen radio there. It's just been in there for years. And I play it, and it blesses my heart. And then I just feel like it's like this time of reflection, this time of devotion, and I think a lot, I pray a lot, and I just get canning, and it just refreshes me so much. And I think that's why I love it so much. And it's something that I feel is so connected and deeply rooted in, culture and in family, and it's something that I want my family to have. So anyway, I thought that I just kind of bring you guys along and just kind of share that with you. Also, I wanted to answer the question. It comes to me so much. A lot of people are like, do Amish pressure can, do Amish pressure can. They absolutely do pressure can. Some communities do. I know that, for their businesses, they do have to follow regulations, so they have to pressure can in order to sell to the public, depending on what it is, of course. The other thing is, are there some communities, Amish communities, that only water bath? Yes, there are, obviously. Especially, it's really, it happens a lot here in Pennsylvania, at least with the communities that I talk to. They water bath everything. But I hope that answered that question there. But other than that, guys, just thought I'd bring you in for just a couple minutes. And as always, take care. And I'm gonna do the Jamboree videos, so make sure you guys are watching those videos so you can get your lids, okay? Because they're constantly doing drawings, all right? And you can win more than once. I'd be on there constantly for every video and comment, because it gives yourself a chance to win, okay? So I think my video comes out the 29th. I think that's what I'm scheduled for. It's already done. I just have to schedule it. Anyway, take care, and as always, God bless.